Hi, my name is Tara and I'm here to talk to you today about cloud transformation. This is changing the way companies manage their business. It wasn't that long ago businesses started seeing benefits from virtualizing their servers. Namely, this meant a reduction in servers, less power and cooling costs, and more utilization of hardware. As businesses evolve to the cloud, dinCloud is able to show our customers even more benefits. The cloud concept has radically changed the way business is conducted with a shared resource model. Cloud services increase security, increase availability of IT resources, and streamline costs. In fact, costs are reduced typically by 30% over the traditional capital expenditure model. As a cloud transformation company, our resources are aggregated centrally and can be spread across multiple customers, thereby passing cost savings to our customer. This is different from multi-tenant. In our model, which we call multi-customer, we provide an entire private virtual data center to each customer. dinCloud rapidly migrates your existing IT infrastructure into the cloud. We do this with our proprietary business provisioning methodology where we move your servers, applications, storage, desktops, and networking to a cloud-based infrastructure. dinCloud will move your entire infrastructure or part of your infrastructure into a privatized cloud in a matter of days. This includes the migration of applications, servers, the network, and security infrastructure. We believe our customers start to realize cost savings immediately. As a result of business provisioning, you are able to leverage modern trends into computing technology such as bring your own device, which means you can access your desktop and applications from virtually any device, anytime, anywhere. By choosing dinCloud, you'll have peace of mind that you are in a secure, isolated data center and have more time and resources to focus on your business. When Windows 3.1 came out, it made the PC personal. It enabled more people to use a computer because of the Windows interface. Later, when the BlackBerry came out, the workplace evolved. You can now read and reply to messages from anywhere at any time. dinCloud is excited to be a part of the evolution of the workspace. We can now access our digital world from any device, anywhere, at any time. Now I'm going to show you what a dinCloud hosted virtual desktop looks like and how it works. It features a Windows operating system. You can access it from an iPad, an Android device, a desktop, or a laptop. You basically have access to your personalized desktop environment, or what we call a workspace. You can do everything you would on a modern PC. This means I can work at home, at the office, or from the road, and from each device, I will have access to my data and applications. Here's how a hosted virtual desktop works. The IT department or an admin can control giving access to a user. Once a user is set up, they just go to an internet browser, log in, then have secure encrypted access to their workspace. This shows you a Windows desktop and the different applications I might use. For example, Microsoft Outlook for email, Microsoft PowerPoint, or other Microsoft Office applications. Likewise, any specialized applications in my business are available. No more VPN headaches or problems accessing applications, regardless of what device I am on. To show how I can access my workspace from any device, I'm now going to log on via this iPad tablet. When I click on the icon for my hosted virtual desktop, I go right in where I left off. I can open an email, reply and attach a file from my documents folder, just as if I was on my normal PC. And now, I'm going to access my workspace on a Mac. I simply click on the icon, log in, and now I'm running Windows on a Mac. Again, my workspace is just as I left it on the previous device. This portability really enhances my ability to work from anywhere, whether that's the office, home, or the in-laws. Besides the vast improvement in productivity, there are other corollary benefits, such as software licensing compliance. dinCloud's origins come from software licensing in the perpetual world. But our cloud licensing desk now helps customers evaluate whether the license that they use in the world of physical hardware is still cost-effective in a virtual world where subscription licenses give you more flexibility. Data security and data leakage concerns of the physical world are also alleviated with dinCloud's hosted virtual desktop. Now, all the data resides in a data center that has multiple layers of security, and the data is backed up regularly. PC fleet management is a constant process. It involves continuous purchase of new equipment, managing software updates and patches, and upgrading software. dinCloud offers a hosted virtual desktop that can elongate the useful life of your computers, save your IT department time from having to do day-to-day maintenance and support, and help you take advantage of the latest software and technology, all for a flexible monthly subscription.
I want my HVD.
Being in the business of IT infrastructure is constantly about buying gear, buying software, and maintaining it. This constant cycle is capital intensive and time consuming. That's where business provisioning comes in. dinCloud enables faster time to market, subscription-based pricing, and a more wallet-friendly approach to cloud transformation. At the core of cloud transformation is dinCloud's private virtual data center. dinCloud is responsible for keeping a high-end data center running on the latest servers, storage, networking, and software. We handle the entire data center infrastructure. We have made significant investments in our customer-designed infrastructure. We also leverage relationships with our DinStack coalition partners for technology and design validation. For example, NetApp, a multi-billion-dollar public U.S. manufacturer of storage solutions, has had engineers review and vet out our designs. dinCloud also partners with Equinix, a public U.S. company that has 98 data center facilities around the world. Needless to say, your data is secure, backed up, and housed in a redundant data center. We also paid a lot of attention to security at multiple levels. There's physical security in our data center locations, security within the infrastructure, and another form of security for our customers: control. By giving control of the infrastructure to our customers and partners, we enable you to have complete visibility. We offer our customers a robust cloud orchestration and management platform called dinManage. dinManage lets you seamlessly provision and deprovision, and without interrupting loss of data, you can modify your server and storage configuration on the fly. Download applications at the desktop or server level. This is coupled with reporting and analytics. We integrate and sync with Microsoft's Active Directory to simplify management of user profiles. You can also create virtual firewalls and networks securely. So, instead of talking about dinManage, I'd like to show you a brief demo. Here's how you would provision a server with storage and security using Active Directory. You initiate the provisioning process by clicking dinHVD from the product screen. Then you can configure your virtual machine by using sliders to select how much RAM, CPU, and storage you want. Then you can also add on software such as Microsoft Office and professional services such as 24/7 Help Desk. As soon as your order is submitted, dinManage will start provisioning the machines. Later, through our Active Directory tool in My Cloud section, you can add those machines with local Active Directory in dinCloud infrastructure or remote Active Directory in your existing data center. In addition, if you don't want all the infrastructure with dinCloud, you can still use our cloud orchestration and management platform, dinManage, to manage virtual infrastructure on your premises and even with other cloud providers. We can also extend capacity and infrastructure to your existing infrastructure if you find that it is saturated or aging and becoming expensive to maintain. At the heart of the business provisioning process is dinCloud's commitment to white glove treatment. When you engage dinCloud, we are committed to understanding your infrastructure, hand-holding you through the migration, and ensuring you are running in the cloud as quickly as possible. A key piece to business provisioning and rapidly provisioning your infrastructure to the cloud is dealing with legacy applications and data. We use our platform to import data, and then our engineering team holds a technical discovery to build a blueprint architecture to move you to the cloud. We have helped businesses move completely to the cloud over 3-day weekends. This ranges from businesses of under 50 employees to those with over 200 employees. Our engineering team is committed to making sure your business gets into the cloud without any disruption to your commerce. So, Are you ready to reduce costs, simplify IT management, and begin your journey to the cloud?